everyone!
Oh, keep going.
Oh, my pack is glowing. That means someone nearby needs a little love today. I know I will bake a cake. A surprise cake. For absolutely no reason, the best reason. 2 cups of flour, 3 eggs. Uh-oh. Mistakes happen. We just fix them and keep going. That's the Starla way. This batter is looking so yummy. It's getting all mixed up. Almost ready for the pan. Time to pour. Yay! Almost ready for the oven.
For me? But it's not my birthday. Exactly! The best surprises happen for no reason at all.
Oh my goodness, how thoughtful you are.
Friends, think of one person you could surprise today. It doesn't have to be big. Even a drawing or a hug, that's enough.
Did you love today's adventure? Give this video a big thumb and ask your grown to subscribe so you never miss a Starla story. See you next time, friends!